Skinny boy, I'll scream president. Every day she come into my house, but she can't reach you. Every day she eating on my mind, but stay, I can see you. Every day she come into my house, but she can't.
I've been back to come out and for you. Yeah, like you. Yeah, man, shall work up.
Skinny boy, I'll scream president. Every day she come into my house, but she can't reach you.
You know, say you hear the one passing here,
Which way now?
why you passing here? Asking you, where you hear me? Can't see.
I can't feel.
I can't buy
you.
Look at. As my thing, we don't look at myself from up. How you looking? And say, who look at me? Me, who's all the time? I feel sorry.
Oh man,
how can I buy today? You hate me all of your mom and tell me sorry.
oh, but I'll follow me. I'll tell what thing you can't bring to you.
I'm taking you. The way you're looking, see, I feel all like that. To me.
See me. So it's your thing, Nero. I come from up there walking now. You hate me talking to I hate you.
As long as I'm going to talk, I'm going to you hate me, so you hate me. Are you hate me? You should just
Skinny boy, I'll scream president. Every day she come into my house, but she get.
I slap you, they slap me again.
Yes, if you come to find I feel you.
What happened here?
Look at me. And I'm here.
You student? Where
first thing you look at. Coming from the sash, you hate me. Then what was you slap me? I slap your from my
to say in a 12th grade, you speak in the main film.
So what a bad thing I say, you slap me, I slap you. It's my move for it.
What are you into here? Hey, I thought we don't speak, Jana. Jesus Christ. My daughter in my house speak out.
No feeling for me.